And a very rare find to have such a spacious garden and swimming pool area here in Metro Manila. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a rare find. This is a corner Mediterranean house and lot for sale located in a secure community here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. What I love about this property is its size. This is a 463 square meter lot with a floor area of 450 square meters across 2 levels. Now join us as we begin this tour. Let's go. So entering the pedestrian gate, you have a parking area to your left. This is completely covered and gives you access towards your service area on this side. What I love also is they've kept the Mediterranean feel all throughout, through the columns. And then you have access here straight towards your spacious garden area, which we will be saving for later. In terms of the direction of the property, this front door is facing south and then the garden area is facing east. Now let's go. You have your double-doored entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the house, you are welcomed by a spacious, high-ceiling living space. This is a double-height ceiling, easily 20 feet, with a grand light fixture. I also like that they have a very light color tone for the entire space with accents through the baseboards and the sliding doors. But you see that there's ample space here for a large living room set, and it's an open planned layout. Plenty of light. You have these windows stretching all the way to the second floor, and then you have your main dining area here. And standing here in the middle, you see that there's so much natural light from all sides of the room. You have this sliding door here, leading to a patio space, another one here, and it has a very elegant feel because of the moldings that you have all around here. Ceiling height is also generous, and flooring is tiled, very easy to maintain. But the best part of this house is really the garden area. Let's go. We purposely shot this video late in the afternoons. This is already about 5:30 in the afternoon. And what's great about this property is that the sunrise is here on the east side of the property. So you enjoy the morning sun here. And in the afternoons, the sun is already on the other side. So it's very cool here. And this is a great spot and a very rare find to have such a spacious garden and swimming pool area here in Metro Manila. To give you an idea, this property is just 5 minutes away from the Alabang area and also gives you fast access towards the airport through Sukat Road. Now let's take a look at this amenity space. You have a gazebo area here. So you can have some seats here. Make this a nice area for barbecues, get-togethers, and then you have access once again towards the front of the house here. This is where having a 463 square meter lot really comes into play. And imagine this, you're just sitting down here, relaxing, and you have this fantastic view of your facade of the house. And you have that very classic feel and very well designed. The color tones also match very well. And from this view, you see you have such a spacious pool area. Hello, you see the size here, and you have this classic shaped pool. And what's nice is we haven't filled this up because of course there are no occupants for the house as of now, but I'll walk in so you can see the depth. So it's not too deep. I'm about 5'10" in terms of my height, and the water will most probably be around here if this gets filled up. So in terms of safety, you have these bars here, and then it goes shallow over here, which is great for kids, and you have these steps. Okay? Come on. So I love that there's so many amenity areas for this house. On top of the gazebo space, the garden area, the swimming pool area, you have this additional lanai patio. See? Look at how wide this is. And it's also very sheltered in terms of rainfall. And you have this bamboo on this side, giving a very cool feel. And then you can walk all around the house here. Okay? And then you have 2 access points to the patio. You can open this up. See, you have a view from one side of the house all the way to the other side. And then, for fast access, from your kitchen space, you have this sliding door. Let's go. Now talk about a spacious kitchen area. If you want to make this an additional dining space, this has more than enough space for a large table. You can make this even the formal dining space if you'd like. They even made sure to have a different design for the ceiling here. In addition, this is a spacious pantry area. And then so much storage all throughout. Here's another vantage point. I'm walking around the entire area so you see the size. This is where you can have your refrigerator. This is where you can have your stove. And then you have access here towards your staff quarters. Check this out. Spacious area, wooden flooring, large window with a solo bathroom. And in terms of functionality, you have access from your main kitchen towards an auxiliary kitchen space. So you see, you have a water tank already, and then you have a pressure tank, and then you have another sink space here, and it's completely covered. So if you step back and walk back, you see how spacious the area is. A large service space, and you can walk all around towards the garden area here. Let's head back in. Okay. So you have access here towards the garden area, and then you have a swinging door here back to the living space. So here's another vantage point. So you see the size. Sobrang maaliwalas nitong bahay na to in Tagalog, and magaan yung pakiramdam ng buong space. Kasi even from here, once you enter the door, you can already see the pool. And you immediately have access here towards the first room in the house, which is your den space. So you have a provision here for a window type air conditioning unit. And then wooden flooring, high ceiling, very well spaced. You have storage already included. And here you have a powder room. I'll just step in. So very conveniently placed right beside the den area and right beside the entrance for your guests. And now let's head on up towards the second level where you have 4 rooms. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of the house where you have a family hallway space. So because you have such a large floor area and such a large lot, the design was able to accommodate to have such an open feel for the second level. Hindi siya cramped at all. Pagkaakyat mo, there's plenty of space. You can see the 4 doors here leading towards the 4 rooms. And let's take a look here at the first room. If you consider the den space as a bedroom, you can consider this a second bedroom already. Now what I love is that this room has its own balcony. And then you have built-in storage already. Spacious area, you can have a large bed here. And what I like is, this also enjoys the morning sun coming from the east side. And it has a solo bathroom. So check out the color scheme. This has blue tiles and tiling all the way from floor to ceiling, with a tempered glass shower enclosure also. Okay. And to maximize this space and also ventilation, you have this terrace space here overlooking the corner of your home and your living space. In addition, this property already has CCTV cameras here. And you have another amenity space. You have a front balcony here facing your garden area. There. So this is quite spacious and it's very private also. It's a good distance from the perimeter of the house and it gives you a relaxing view of your pool, gazebo, and garden area. Okay. We're going through the rooms like this because we're going to end up with your primary bedroom. But let's save that for last. Just take a look here for your third room. Okay. I think the common theme for this house is the size of the rooms. There's no room that feels cramped. You have high ceilings. I like that they have this textured ceiling, which breaks the monotony of having the white ceiling with the white walls. And you have a large window here, lots of ventilation, and another bathroom. So this one has a different color scheme, more of a cream color. Okay. And now you have your fourth room here. Let's take a look at the storage. There. I like that it's built into the wall already, so it's not sticking out. So it gives you an easier time in terms of arranging your furniture instead of having this sticking out like this. And then another hallmark of a well-built home is yung mga hamba or yung frames of the doors. These are very sturdy. And then here's another bathroom. Every bathroom has a different color scheme. Okay. So this is excellent for families who are looking for more space. If you're looking for 4 to 5 rooms, you have 2, 3, or even 4 kids. or children or even grown children in the family or even grandkids, this is plenty of space. And now, let's take a look at your fifth room or your master bedroom or primary bedroom. Okay. Of course, this is the most spacious room. Great, almost square shape, which gives you plenty of alternatives in terms of how to arrange your furniture. Once again, high ceiling. 1, 2, 3. 3 large windows and then the sliding door. Once again, giving you a view of your pool area. Let's take a quick look. Here's the view from your balcony space. Imagine looking out and seeing a relaxing view of your swimming pool. Okay, let's head back in. I had to jog a bit so you see the size. Okay, and then check out how spacious your walk-in closet is. And this entire area is large enough so that you have 2 sink spaces here and even a corner alcove bathtub. And on this side, you have your shower enclosure. So that's the luxury of space, to be able to give you such nice spacing and a more relaxing feel for your master bathroom. Okay, and that ends our quick tour. This has been such a relaxing home to tour, and if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.